Hi, my name is David, and in this training session we'll talk about conveyors. So let's start with building some basic conveyor layout. We're going to use some source, conveyor. So please drag and drop conveyor. Little reminder, you can click on a conveyor and choose either straight or curved, but in this case we're going to use some straight conveyors. Using these two red crosses, you can change the size and the position of the conveyor. So let's try do it like this, and let's add 3 perpendicular conveyors. As you can see, I'm clicking Ctrl C, Ctrl V and copying the conveyors. When you move them close together, they should snap, and then this transfer point will appear. So if you have these, let's add sink in the end of each line, and let's make the connections. So let's connect source with the conveyor, and then each conveyor with the sink. The arrow indicates if this is either exit, so the arrows pointing outwards, the conveyors, or entry transfer if the arrow is pointing into the conveyor. Okay, we have this. So if you reset and run the model now, you will see the flow item traveling through the conveyors and then exiting through the last possible transfer, because there is no other logic specified yet in this model. So what are we going to build today? We want to have 3 different product type. We want to route each product, each flow item of the given type through different conveyor. We want to have some stations here, and we would want to have the processing time of these stations to be determined by the weight, for example, or other parameter of the flow items of the product itself. So this is what we're going to do here. So let's start. First, let's create 3 product types. So let's go to the source. In the triggers, trigger on creation, green plus, data, and let's choose set label and color, and let's name it product type. We'll have different product types in our simulation. If we have it, we can reset and run it, and then you will see we'll have 3 different colors for our products. So this is the first part. Now what we want to do is we want to decide we want to decide to which transfer or to which conveyor the product should go. So in this case, we need to use decision point. So we need to make a decision. So please take the decision point and drag and drop it on the conveyor. You will see it has a rectangular shape with some intersection crosses inside, and if decision point has to be on conveyor. If it's not on conveyor, or if it's disconnected from the conveyor, you will see it doesn't have this cross inside. It has to be connected to the conveyor. There's a common mistake. You can by accident put the decision point a little bit higher than the conveyor itself. So it looks like